Here is Sienna 204. So the car is very clean. It's very clean. It's running. You can hear the engine. It's running, and you can hardly hear the sound of the engine. You can see it comes with alloy rim. So the car is good. Very good. The first user, first owner. All the steering control is working. So and the mileage is just 143. Guys, very dope. The AC is chilling, everything is working fine. So you can see the compass is working. So the compass also is working. You can see. Yeah. It's very clean. And it comes with the roof DVD. The car comes with roof DVD. You can see, and it's working. You can see the roof DVD. It's working. The car is very neat. So the other side is, here is manual. Manual slide up. The other side is slide up. That's it. Very clean. The car is very dope. And it's going for shaking money. So you can see the car. So this side is sliding door. So you can tap it from here, so it will open. So you can see. So it's light up. You can use the button here. So you see, it will close. So the car is dope, and it is come with this remote key. You can see the car. The car is very dope. So you can open the slide door from here also. So or you use the remote key. So you can use the remote key to open it. So all the systems are working fine. So here is to close the back. So all the systems, the remote are working. So everything is working fine. So and the car is going for shaking money. It is very dope. 2004 model. Neatly used. So call me if you are interested.